Hello guys, so after a break I took, I come back with one recap of one trade, one stock from Friday, PTON, which was down 30% after bad numbers. So let's check what happened. You can see this is the daily, see what happened here. From the 55, it's open up at 57, 30 bucks below with a big gap, and I wanted to talk about these big gaps you see from time to time. Basically, they teach us when you see a gap to the downside, you look for the short side. You probably look for gap and go with the momentum to the short side if the gap is to the down, and if there is a gap up, you're looking for gap and go to the upside. But this is valid more with the stock which do or does 3%, 5%, up to 8 to 10% gap. But a stock which does 30%, 20% up or down, you have to be very careful with the trading. You have to be very careful with the trading plan you take, because why is that? Consider that the mass majority of the buyers are investors. They are not traders, day traders, especially because they are getting in, getting out the same day. The investors are buying with big chunk. They're looking for opportunity to buy more when the price is coming back to their area of the buying. Like this one, you see it. Break below, opportunity here. They buying, also buying around this area. And then they wait. When they see opportunity that the stock will fall, they sell a little bit to secure some profit. So what happened when they see that their, let's say, the average price of their buying price is 85, and suddenly they're coming in the morning and they see the stock $30 below. This is a big opportunity for them if they find that the stock is still valid and still good and the news are not so bad. If there is only numbers for the 1 year, 2 years, probably the stock will find again an opportunity to come back to the former prices. So it's a good buying opportunity. This is why you have to be very careful. And see what happened with PTON at the beginning of the trade. Let's go to the 1 minute. For this trading session, I enter about a little bit late. I enter about 30 minutes after, but see what happened. They saw the big opportunity to buy. So they buy at 57, they buy at the 58 area, they buy at the 59. So the average price was a little bit here, and they started to sell above the 61. And at this scenario, what you will look for when a stock, and it doesn't matter if it has 30% down, 20%, this is basically in every scenario. If you see a stock moving up and started to go down, you look for the reversal. Where is the good reversal? You can look at the good reversal with your indicator and see what happened with this indicator. This is the stochastic. Slow, you see it. It make a lower low. And this lower low is in deep in the oversold area, which means all the seller lose the power. They lost all the power very fast with these 2-3 candles. And now you can look for a good reversal, which means this also it's called continuation. This hidden divergence is called long continuation, very bullish continuation. And the most common is this movement, move up, move down, and then move up again. But because the stock PTON was 30% down, my plan was to take the profit very fast. So I enter with much bigger number of stocks. So my profit will be much higher. When the risk is the smallest. So what happened? Let's erase it. Basically, my indicator and my algo tell me to enter around this area and see why. Because attempt to break the 59 fell, buying power. A break to break the 59, buying power, close above. Spike below the 59, buying power, close above. Spike below the 59, buying power, close above. And then a break, close below, and the next candle, close above. So I should enter something like 10 cents below. I got the price here. And my plan was stop 30 cents at the 59 and about 1-to-1 with most of the stocks. I exit a little bit sooner. I want to exit here at about 59.80. I get 59.6 and left 100 shared, which stopped out. And this was my fault. But the plan was, yes, there will be a continuation to the upside. My second partial was about 59. I think it was 48. Why 48? Check it out. This is the high 60.77. This is the high of 60.87. So, and also you see from here 60.84. So you see the power of the sellers coming in here, there, and there. So this is an area of sellers. So I wanted to exit somewhere here to make sure that I will get filled. And I lost about, here I was up, I think it was 90 bucks, and probably 10 cents more I could get my target, but the stocks make a reversal to the downside here, and I move my stop loss to the 48 area. Why? Because they told us the round number 59.50, put your stop loss 2 cents below 48, and it stuck me with 59.48, and boom, short squeeze to the upside. Again, you see sellers, sellers, and sellers. And then from then it was fading off. I closed my computer here. And so my plan was good. My entry was, let's say, not 90%. My exit was 80%. I should exit with 10 cents more, with about 100 more dollars. And this was a mistake. I should put my stop loss at my entries and adjust. Instead of getting win 100 bucks, I get only 10 bucks, but it's okay. So even if a stock moving to the downside pretty harsh with 30 cents, you can find a good reversal. Now let's talk about you looking for the short side and what to do after you see the stocks moving to the upside like this. A lot of people, even some trader I'm following, they enter here for the short because they see the stock moving up, fail to move higher, and they short it here after they see two big candles. So if they short it here with the 60, where they're gonna put their stop losses? The stop losses will be above the high. This is their mental stop, which means $1.50 stop loss, which means they want minimum $1.50. So if it's 60, they wanted 59.80. 58, sorry, 50. So they wanted some price here. And what the stock did, it moved down, failed to break, and then started to move up. From there, what they see, they say to themselves, oh my God, the stock is gonna do something like this because it's 30% below. More buyers are find it very interesting. So they exit much sooner. They exit here, they sell, and they sell because they are afraid. Because I think they enter too soon to the short side. Why? Because this is a big move. Those are two big candles. This is those candles don't give them good opportunity from risk reward ratio. Much better if you want to enter at the 60, wait. Check your indicator, see if there is a divergent or short continuation or a short reversal. If it doesn't give you the indication, wait, because it gave me a long entry. I took it long. And from there, you can say, let's see what happened here. This is a lower low. It's moving like the indicator and the price action moving at the same. So you can take it short. There is no good reversal or short continuation. You could take it because you see what happened here. It's moved higher. It's moved higher. Don't enter here. Wait. From there, you could see overbought. Overbought. It's moving with the price. It could be, but if you want to be sure, see what happened next. See what happened next. Let's say you see it, oh, I should enter at the 60. But with the 60, let's say you enter with the 60, your stop loss is, let's say $1 because, I don't know, it's a 90, you took $1, so you want minimum $1. So if you enter here, you can exit here, but you want it here, and then you see it's moved up again. So not so good. But see what happened here. It made a push higher and failed miserably. See the candle. It's an engulfing candle. And then it's moved higher again, but the indicator doing a higher high. So from here, you could enter. See what happened? Let's say you enter here. This is your stop loss. Okay? Let's say you enter 58, let's say 20. Your stop loss, 50 cents. So instead of $1 stop, you have a 50-cent stop. And what happened? You enter here, 50 cents is something precise, 122 is 57.20. Immediately, there is no reversal, 122, no reversal. The same stock, just wait for a good divergence. Another divergence later came in, see what happens, move to the high, again from here, move to the low, but again, not a very good, because you see here, this is again probably 70 cents, so you could wait. Sorry. And if we wait, oh my God, see what happened. This is very good. Here to there. I'm correct? Yes. You could enter below the 57, stop here, 20 cent stops, 21. So you wanted 40 cents, see what happened. 56.60. Immediately you could move with 1 to 2. If you wait, see what happened. 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 1 to 6 if you wait a little bit more. So just wait. There is a lot of opportunity with the market. You just have to wait. Don't, if you are trading all the session of the trading session, I'm trading between 1 hour, 30 minutes. In here on Friday, I was trading about 10 minutes, something like that. I have to make a quick decision. I saw the divergence, I got in, I got out and moved my stop loss. I didn't want to see here the stop loss here again to see the losses. I want to make sure I'm exit with a profit, even if it's a smaller one, and that's it. But if I was continue, I probably will take it here. I probably will take it here or there, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed, guys. I hope it gives you a lot of insight, how to trade, how to wait, how to be patient, not to rush. Be very careful with your trade. Even a big trader like myself, I'm following a big trader. I saw them enter here, and I said, no, don't enter here. You don't have the money. You don't trade with the big stop losses. You like a stop loss of 20, 30 cents, 50 cents top with this kind of trading. Wait, I'm more a trader like to have want to capture is a profit very quick. I cannot wait, like let's say it's moving sideways. I hate it if I have to wait for the stock price to hit. So probably I will move even with a small profit or small loss to find another opportunity. But then again, from that point, I say to myself, they exit somewhere here. All the people who took short there, most of them exit there and there because they was afraid of the big move to the upside. And I told them, wait, stock cannot move higher. And it did, it moved lower. So this is it, guys. Hope you like it. Hope you will follow. Click the like button, subscribe. I will continue my video about recaps and prediction of the stock market. So see you guys later.